Relax and watch these amazing moments. Here is what happened when an entire fireworks show accidentally went off at once.
This is insane.
Here is a super parrot pet. Let's see her talent show. This is how you draw a 3D picture. This monkey got trapped in a small well until her sister came and rescued her. After numerous attempts, the sister finally brought the little monkey up. This guy is a talented archer. He can shoot multiple arrows at the same time.
All right, for this shot, I'm gonna fit 8 arrows in one disc. That's how you do it.
This is a stubby squid. They live close to the ocean bottom and look like octopi. Their poling eyes are used to prey shrimp and small fishes. Here is a video of Airbus Beluga, a special airplane used to carry oversized cargo. Landing on a windy day is really a challenge. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to see more.